Way back in the 16th century, Montaigne understood what we all feel now, that constant, low-level hum of anxiety that comes from a mind that's just too full.
So here's the core problem. Your brain is a really bad office. It's designed for having ideas, not for holding them. Think of it like a powerful CPU with almost no long-term storage. Every unfinished task, every open loop, is just another background app draining your processing power. Sometimes, brain.exe just stops responding.
The solution, then, is to build an external system for your mind. For this, we're using the blueprint from David Allen's Getting Things Done, which is a proven framework for achieving a state of controlled, stress-free productivity.
All right, Protocol 1, capture everything. This is the absolute foundation of the whole system. The principle is simple. You have to get every single commitment out of your head and into a trusted external place. You can't manage what you don't track.
This means you pick your tools, digital, physical, it doesn't matter, and you conduct a full mind sweep. You write down everything that has your attention. And I mean everything. Yes, even that vague idea about finally learning to juggle chainsaws. The goal is 100% capture.
So you've captured everything. Now what? You have to process it. And that process starts with a really simple but powerful threshold: 2 minutes.
This is the 2-minute rule. The logic is that it's actually more efficient to just do the task than it is to organize it and track it. It's basically the ultimate software patch for procrastination. The source material mentions an executive who reclaimed an entire hour a day just by applying this one rule to his email.
Now, for a bonus protocol, the weekly reboot. See, a system is only as good as its maintenance, and the weekly review is what keeps this entire system functional and trustworthy. You can think of it as the weekly defrag for your personal hard drive. Its purpose is really threefold. First, you get clear by processing all of your inboxes to zero. Second, you get current by reviewing all your project lists to make sure they're up to date. And finally, you get creative. This part tends to happen automatically once you clear out all the mental clutter.
Theory is one thing, but execution is everything. So here's your immediate action item to deploy within the next 24 hours. Grab a pen and paper or open a digital note. Write down the top 10 things that are taking up space in your head right now. Don't filter them, don't judge them, just get them out. The only goal is to experience that initial relief of the purge. And don't worry, there's no syntax check on this. I turned this into a clean PDF and action worksheet. Link in the description or pinned comment.
If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more.
What's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?